Tonight, I am at my listing in Kolea in Waikoloa Beach. It's a third floor penthouse, 3 beds, 3 baths, 2,100 plus square feet. Tonight, we're doing something a little bit different, a little bit out of the box. We are having a party, an event. Hi, I'm Dan Palomino with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, tonight I am at my listing in Kolea in Waikoloa Beach. It's a third floor penthouse, 3 beds, 3 baths, 2,100 plus square feet, overlooking a bay behind me. It's absolutely spectacular. It's priced at $4.25 million. Now tonight we're doing something a little bit different, a little bit out of the box. We are having a party, an event, where we've got friends, colleagues, clients, and realtors coming out to take a look at this condo. We're doing it in conjunction with my friend Russell and his brother who own the Hawaii Boat Club. Hawaii Boat Club's kind of a novel idea where you join the club as a membership-based subscription, and although you don't own the boats, you get to use the boats anytime you want with the subscription. Kind of a cool concierge high-end idea that they do here on the island. So Russell has his boat members coming by. I've got my clients coming by. We've got some vendors and some realtors. Gonna be a fun event tonight. We've got poo-poos and cocktails and music that you can hear in the background. We're gonna have an amazing sunset, as you can see behind me. Again, this is just one of the things that we do here at the Hawaii team to go the extra mile. We're gonna show you some video here in a second of the evening and how it went and the people enjoying themselves in this beautiful condo. If you want to know more about this and to purchase this, then contact us here at the Hawaii team. But if you're also interested in what we do here at the Hawaii team, where we go above and beyond, we do out-of-the-box ideas to sell property, then contact us. We'd love to talk with you. We don't just put a sign in the yard and pray. We are actively trying to sell your property and do it on the very, very highest level. So again, we'd love to hear from you. 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.